Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you about ChainProx, which is an earning site. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video that I'm going to post in the future. So let's begin. Earn passive income by sharing your internet connection, fair and secure token payouts while you sleep. Pre-sale on Kanga Exchange is live. You can buy rocks by simply clicking this buy rocks button. What is ChainProx? ChainProx is a tokenized platform for sharing an internet connection with other users and business in exchange for cryptocurrency. It is the ultimate tool for taking advantage of the otherwise unused potential of networks and devices connected to them. Rocks token. Rocks is a crypto token serving as the ChainProx ecosystem's main settlement asset. Users get rewarded with Rocks tokens for the bandwidth they share through their internet connections. Rock Stocking Reward Funds. The Stocking Rewards Fund will consist of tokens from three primary sources: 1% of all ROX transactions, 1% of all proof of proxy rewards, and 30% of the total supply of ROX tokens. Proof of rock proxy. ChainProx is bringing back the spirit of the early days of crypto mining, when anyone could make a healthy profit with basic computer equipment. Anyone with an internet connection can share it with others to unlock. Any internet connected device will work, even a smartphone, no expensive equipment or stocking required. Our partners: AdShares, Skyline, Crips, Crypto Security, Zetly, Fueling Sports, Blockchain Alliance, Blockstamp, and Hashipit. ChainProx is used for data scraping, geo-blockade running, market research, brand protection, secure browsing, and ad verification, global publishing, pricing intelligence, search engine optimization, and price hunting. Data scraping. Information wants to be free, but web publishers are using increasingly powerful machine learning tools to block business data seekers. Use rotating proxies from ChainProx to be the machines and get full access to the information you need to boost your profits. Core team: Morrissey Konopaki, Chief Operating Officer, involved in the blockchain space since 2016, has co-founded and spoken at multiple industry events, author of dozens of technical articles on blockchains and cryptocurrencies. Chris Krzysztof Kuchab, EHD, Chief Technology Officer, involved with blockchain technology since 2011 as a minor and developer, academic lecturer, has contributed to and advised on multiple blockchain projects. Bartosz Jurask, Chief Marketing Officer, strongly focused on building and developing new business projects, professionally involved in the blockchain industry since 2017, cryptocurrency enthusiast and ideologist. Adrian Rona, Head of Business Development, former Business Development Manager at Citibank and mBank, involved with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency since 2017. Daniel Dimon, Head of Product Design, involved with blockchain technology since 2018, strong experience with products related to blockchains, fintech, and clinical trials. Advisors: Leszek Ryklewski, PhD advisor. Leszek is a successful entrepreneur and scientist, one of the founders of BioInfo Bank, conducting many types of researches, co-author of over 100 research papers, creator of ESC blockchain, and co-founder of AdShares. Christoph Bochnik, advisor. Christoph is the CEO of AdShares, the Web3 protocol for programmatic advertising, CEO of academic organization Blockchain Society on SGH Warsaw School of Economics, author and co-author of blockchain-related research projects, strongly committed to developing blockchain ecosystems. Kamil Jagzewski, advisor, head of growth at AdShares, previously COO of Signet.io, and business development director in the Polish Blockchain Technology Accelerator. Member of the Blockchain and Digital Currencies Board at the Ministry of Digital Affairs and Blockchain Technology Center. Roadmap: Q4 2021 web application, Rocks token pre-sale round 1 marketing, Q1 2022 pre-sale round 2, pre-sale round 3 community building, DEX listings, Q2 2022 pre-sale round 4 DFI integration, CX listings, stocking program, website plugin, Q3 2022 mobile app support for other cryptocurrencies, bounty program, 2023 roadmap, Solana and Luna integration. Get updates, subscribe to receive our latest news, special offers, and more. You simply have to write your email address here and then click the subscribe button. If you wanna ask some questions, you can send us a message on this link. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and you can also join our Telegram group so you get to know more about us. Now I'm gonna show you how the white paper looks like. So this is first, so you'll see the introduction, then the original idea. By clicking this buttons, you can further know about us, ROX token, earning potential. You can read this when you reach the official site from the link in the description. Now moving back, so so that was it for today's video. If you got some information, so make sure that you share this video as much as you can so other people also know about this, and make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll meet you next. Until then, goodbye guys.